Hey everyone, it's Friday morning, January 3rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. First off, let me wish you all health, happiness, and success in the year ahead. We've got some exciting plans for the podcast this year, and I'm so glad you're here to be part of this journey. Now let's dive into what happened in the markets yesterday. So Wall Street kicked off the new year on a bit of a shaky note. The Standard & Poor's 500 slipped 0.2% after starting the day in the green. The Dow was down about 0.3%, shedding 150 points, while the Nasdaq also ended slightly lower. Not exactly the comeback we were hoping for after last year's Santa Claus rally fell flat. Despite this, 2024 was a blowout year for U.S. stocks. The Standard & Poor's 500 posted back-to-back gains of over 20%, a feat we haven't seen in almost 30 years. Still, investors seem to be cautiously stepping into 2025. Bond yields ticked higher, with the 10-year Treasury yield closing at around 4.57%, while the U.S. dollar index climbed to its highest level since late 2022. It seems like we'll be reaching parity between euro and dollar soon. In individual stocks, Tesla had a rough day, falling nearly 6% after reporting its first decline in annual deliveries. The company also faced troubling news as a Cybertruck explosion in Las Vegas made headlines. Meanwhile, Apple shares dropped over 2.5% as the company offered rare price cuts on its latest iPhones in China, likely feeling the heat from local competitors. On the economic front, jobless claims fell to 211,000, the lowest level since April, showing some resilience in the labor market. But higher mortgage rates, now nearing 7%, continue to weigh on the housing sector. That's your quick market recap. Don't forget to check out my LinkedIn newsletter, Cela's Weekly Insights, this Sunday, where I'll break down all the numbers and major themes from 2024 and share what's on the radar for 2025. Thank you for starting your mornings with me here on Capital Markets Quickie. Here's to a fantastic year ahead. I'll catch you tomorrow. Cheerio.